Good evening, guys. So, here's 3 of my fire alarm pull stations. So we got the Simplex dual action T-bar, the Notifier BG12, and the Edwards. Let's flip these over so we can see the back of them. So here's the back of them. So here are the keys. Here's the key. Here are the keys to this one. Here are the keys to that one. And here's the key to that one. But this came from the ADT pull station. The one with the black pull bars. From this one right here. Because this pull station, when I got, it didn't come with a key. So I just need to use a key for this one. Because when I stick the key in this, it opens. Alright, let's go and pull them. So, on this one here, to activate it, you lift this thing and pull down. And on this one, you push in and pull down. And you see the word activated pop up. And this one, you lift this black bar and pull this down. And to reset them, you just use the keys and you open it up. Handle pops up and there's a button in there. So you can just close it. And this one, you open it up. Handle pops up on this one as well, and there's a switch, so you can just flip it and close it, or if you pull it and the switch is flipped down, you can close it, because look, it pops up. And on this one, the handle doesn't pop up on its own, so you just have to push this one up and there's a switch. But you just can't close it, because look, it can't close all the way. You just have to flip that switch first. And then it can close all the way. Now, let's see what key activating is. So, key activate this one. When you key activate it, when you open it, there's a button so the alarm can get set off. And this one, when you're key activating it, stick the key in. When you open it up, the alarm doesn't go off, so you have to flip the switch, then the alarm will go off. Same thing on this one. You just have to flip the switch. Alright, let's pull down. Alright, I'm going to open them so we can see the inside of it. Get this one open. Alright, so let me flip these switches up. You flip the switches to normal. Move this out of the way so we can see them. Yeah, these are what the inside of these pole stations look like. Oh, I didn't close it all the way. There we go. Got this one closed all the way. And this one clicks. See? Alright, thank you for watching.